Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we will spend our brain doing some numericals, so join us whether you are a student or a curious mind. Exercise questions. Problem 2.43. An ion with mass number 37 possesses 1 unit of negative charge. If the ion contains 11.1% more neutrons than the electrons, find the symbol of the ion. Solution. Let the element be X dash. As the charge of ion is 1, so it will have 1 more electron. Number of electron equals X, number of proton equals X1. Number of neutron equals X plus 11.1%. Number of neutrons equals X plus 11.1% of X, equals X plus 11.1 X divided by 100, equals 100X plus 11.1 X divided by 100. After calculation. Number of neutrons equals 1.111x. We know that mass number equals no of protons plus no of neutrons. 37 is equal to x minus 1 plus 1.111x. So, x equals 38 divided by 2.111 after calculation. X equals 18. Number of electron equals 18. Number of proton equals 17. Number of neutrons equals 17, so the element is chlorine with a negative charge. Thank you for your attention. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.